You know, Paulo Cruzada, you should not harass Teacher May. Teacher May, she is your teacher. However, why did you even arrest a person that she doesn't do anything? Paulo Cruzada, I'll be like Jason Mariwa. If I'm just gonna say to you in my blog, Paulo Cruzada, you should never think what you're bullying at. Because if Teacher May's cousins were lawyer, if they want to file you cases against you, Paulo Cruzada, do not blame me. Blame yourself. Because you're the one who brainwashed Gina Sedjo, Jeffrey Sedjo, and G. Macasandil, the uncle of Paula Nunez, to attack Teacher May Tiburcio, to attack Teacher Marisa, to attack Teacher Riza, Teacher Lendel, Teacher Jessa. What else? He attacked Teacher Kel Pabelo. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, you should stop attacking everyone. Even Teacher Joy, even Teacher Pat, even the others. Oh, including the Roylan Marlang's friend, Teacher Chin Busmante. You need to stop. Paulo Cruzada, if you harass Teacher May, I will contact with Franco Cagayat, one of the spedmotics in Laguna. In Pait, Laguna. If I message Franco Cagayat in Messenger, I will tell to Franco Cagayat, sagasaan mo na yan si Paulo Cruzada. Patayin mo na yan. Oh. You know that. Paulo Cruzada, you want to harass Teacher May? If you want to harass Teacher May, remember, Paulo Cruzada, I've been contact my own gang. Just like I said, I told to Alfred Eslabra, make sure you keep an eye with the house of Teacher May in Cainta Rizal to protect her family members and her nephew and her niece. Make sure it's already heavily guarded. It's already guarded in their house. As I speak, if Teacher May's house was guarded, it's totally heavily guarded. Oh, and I'm just saying to Alfred Eslabra, make sure you can use a guns anyway, or airsoft guns. Even Jens Manaid, Kenji Mantaring, how to shoot a pellet gun at Paulo Cruzada. If he if he infiltrated her house, make sure heavily guarded. And I asked Bill Galang, Bill, I say again, if you want to hold the handgun, kung gumagamit ka ng baril, ng airsoft gun, barilin mo si Paulo Cruzada. If he threatens Teacher May, make sure you will be guarded in her house. Because Bill Galang is a part of my spedmotics. And remember, heavily guarded, it will never longer to entry at Teacher May's house. And just want to say that Paulo Cruzada will never will never wish that he's going to mess with others. And Paulo Cruzada, are you afraid of my Spedmotics gangs? Just like I said before, puro ka lang tapang, puro ka lang tapang-tapangan, puro ka lang ganyan. Like I said, you are really worse than You're really worse than Christy Mix. You're really worse than Jondan Ramirez. And I will never forget Paulo Cruzada for what you did to Teacher May. Oh, just like I said, everyone, they don't really like you, Paulo Cruzada. Because people are saying to you, you're evil. Oh, why people are call you evil? You're evil. Oh, just to know, you are very evil. Even Teacher May, you still harassing her that she doesn't do anything to you. Oh, even Lorraine Shook. Oh, you are harassing her, Paulo Cruzada. If I say again, Paulo Cruzada, if I contact with Bill Galang and Jens Manaid and Alfred Esnabra and my other friends who were Spedmotics, make sure you keep an eye in the house of Lorraine Shook in Carousel Production, Mandaluyong, in the Miss Earth headquarters. Make sure heavily guarded, and we will take guns over at Paulo Cruzada. We will shoot Paulo Cruzada with the pellet gun. And then we will say, oh, if we shoot Paulo Cruzada pellet gun, he will never, he will no longer to threaten to hostage Lorraine Shook. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, you are wanted in Davao City. You're wanted all over in Metro Manila. You are wanted. Even in Japan, you're wanted too, Paulo Cruzada. Even in Osaka, Tokyo, you're a wanted. Even Nagoya, you're wanted too. Oh, even not even that, Hong Kong and also your place that you've been before, you are wanted by Chinese Hong Kong police and even the Chinese triads, and including the Chinese government. Oh, the Communist Party of China, you are wanted. Even in Tehran, even in Shiraz and Ashpan in Iran, you are wanted, Paulo Cruzada. Under by Ali Khamenei, the Islamic Republic of Iran, you are wanted. You're saying about ISIS. In Russia, in Moscow, even in Dagestan, even Grozny, even all the place of Russia, in St. Petersburg, during the time of Vladimir Putin, in Russia, oh, Grozny is a Chechnya, oh, it's a part of country in Russia, oh, you are wanted. You are wanted, Paulo Cruzada. Even in North Korea, under by Kim Jong-un, you are wanted. Oh, everyone are calling you wanted, Paulo Cruzada. You are a fugitive. I've been talk with Felix Sabines. Oh, in the post of Kanguso before I reconcile with Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo. You are wanted. What are you gonna say to yourself, Paulo Cruzada, if you're telling a lie? Even the vehicle of Joseph Maspinas, you include the person that he doesn't do anything to you? You are a liar, Paulo Cruzada. Joseph Maspinas he doesn't have a car. Even Sophia Ahmad Sultan, she doesn't have a car too. She's using a multi-cab. Joseph Maspinas is riding a bike. Nagbibisikleta lang po si Joseph Maspinas. Nagmo-multicab lang po si si Sophia Ahmad Sultan. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you should better wish that you think you are messing a person that you do not know who they are. You are harassing everyone. You're harassing everybody, and anyone are saying to you, you are abnormal. You are very abnormal, Paulo Cruzada.